Hi and welcome to my kitchen. You know, I love being in the kitchen and working, cooking and doing everything in the kitchen apart from when I don't have what I need. This cooker right here just broke down on me a couple of days ago. And so I had to get myself another cooker. And what better option than a cooker which doesn't take much space in your kitchen. It's also infrared, it has double burners, is from CUSIMAX and it's stainless steel. So you basically have a hob with two burners which is portable, guys. Yeah, it's portable. So it doesn't need to be fixed in one position in your kitchen, which is just amazing. So let's put it to the test. Okay. And yes, I have to admit that I have my child's apron on because guess what? I don't have an apron. My child does, I don't. So yeah. This beauty right here with the double burners has overheating protection. They also have hidden handles. So basically the handles are here. You can't really see them, but you can lift it really easily. Also, if you are worried about burning yourself whilst you are using the handles, you don't need to worry about that because they are insulated. The housing is stainless steel, so it's going to be very resistant and long lasting. It also has 4 non-slip rubber feet. Whilst I'm getting ready, let's turn it on. I'm gonna turn it on to max. It's very quick. You can already feel the heat. You can control the temperature. You can use one burner at one time, or you can use both burners. As you can see, you can switch on the other one as well. Switch it off if you don't use it. I'm gonna add some oil. Let's make an egg. Oh no, my egg broke. The yolk. I can already hear that it starts. So then, because my egg yolk broke, I'm just going to make myself an egg sandwich. It's very, very quick. I think, see what a great cook I am, I think I'm just going to make myself scrambled egg. Because this egg is not gonna turn into a fried egg. Or it will. And my egg is done. Getting my bread ready. Some salt. And my breakfast or dinner or lunch is ready. Enjoy cooking with CUSIMAX. Maybe you'll get to make a better egg than I did. Maybe your egg will turn out better than mine. Bon appetit! Mmm.